How can tenants legally handle unfair contract clauses? In today's rental market, many tenants are facing challenges with unfair contract clauses in their lease agreements. Just yesterday, reports surfaced about tenants standing up against these unfair terms. If you are renting a property and feel that your lease has clauses that are not fair, you are not alone. Many individuals are searching for ways to address these issues. Let's break down how tenants can legally handle unfair contract clauses. First, it is essential for tenants to carefully review their lease agreements before signing. Identifying any clauses that seem unfair or overly restrictive can help protect tenant rights. If you suspect a clause is unfair, there are several steps you can take. Understanding tenant rights is vital. Familiarize yourself with local and state laws that protect you as a tenant. Many jurisdictions have laws that prevent landlords from including illegal or unenforceable terms in leases. For example, clauses that waive tenant rights or impose unreasonable penalties are often prohibited. Next, document your concerns. Keeping detailed records of the lease terms and any communications with your landlord about the disputed clauses is crucial. This documentation can support any legal claims or negotiations you may pursue later. Communication is key. Try discussing the unfair clause with your landlord or property manager. Sometimes, landlords may agree to modify or remove problematic terms if approached calmly and clearly. If discussions do not lead to a resolution, seeking legal advice is a wise move. Consulting with a tenant rights attorney or a tenant advocacy organization can provide guidance on whether a clause is legally enforceable. Legal professionals can help you understand your options and may assist in negotiating lease modifications or challenging unfair terms in court if necessary. Many regions have specific tenant protection laws that prohibit unfair contract clauses. For instance, clauses that attempt to waive a tenant's right to habitable living conditions can be challenged and declared invalid. If your landlord refuses to remove or amend unfair clauses, consider sending formal written notices citing tenant protection laws. If the situation escalates, you may need to pursue legal remedies such as filing complaints with housing authorities or taking the matter to court. By understanding your rights, documenting issues, communicating with landlords, seeking legal counsel, and utilizing tenant protection laws, you can effectively handle unfair contract clauses. This proactive approach helps ensure that your rental agreements are fair and comply with applicable laws.